everyone watching. My name is Neha Banu and I'm a fitness instructor and I'm also the official Fitness D-Expert for Daraz. So today's episode we'll be talking about what I have in my gym bag, and these are the basic essentials that I carry, and I just want to show you guys quickly what I have. So first important is this big bag. So gym जाँदाखेरि यति सामान हुन्छ बिस्तारै add गर्दा you have a lot of things अनि बिस्तारै bag को size चाहिँ ठुलो हुँदै जान्छ. So this is my bag size. It has a lot of compartments. I'll show you guys what's inside my bag. सबभन्दा माथि नै भएको is मेरो water bottle. I make sure I carry my water bottle, and winter ma I keep forgetting like pani khanu pani बिर्सिरहेको हुन्छ. So I fill the water bottle full summer, so just to keep myself in track कति भइरहेछ कति पानी खाइरहेछ आज whole day मा थाहा हुन्छ. Also workout गर्दाखेरि पानी खानु is important. Keep yourself hydrated. So I have my big bottle here. Arko saman is, yes, my skipping rope. Gym ma the skipping rope bhayihalcha, but I carry my own because it's better to have your own always. So खोजी राख्नु नि पर्दैन. यो चाहिँ I use it for warm-ups. So 5-10 minutes before the workout, I start by warming up, hinera, or like just jump ropes. I do it for 5-10 minutes. So body tattincha ni ta त्यसरी. And I have my t-shirts, extra t-shirt leggings that I carry with myself because workout गर्दाखेरि like 40 feel bhayiरहेको हुन्छ, you become sweaty and all, and फेरि मेरो अर्को class पनि हुन्छ after my workout. So त्यसको लागि पनि just quick change को लागि, and also when you shower you need a fresh pair of clothes. So and I have my gloves. Usually चाहिँ म gloves लगाउँदिन, but I have this because मेरो calluses like उकिरहेको बेलामा I can use it, so दुख्दैन. So I have my belt here. Your belt say I use while I'm lifting heavy. So squat, deadlifts गर्दाखेरि काम लागिरहन्छ. So just use it. So it just keeps my ali confident once when I wear this. And I have my protein shaker here. So this is the protein that I use, and I keep this मेरो locker मै राखिरहेको हुन्छु. But here, one scoop हालेर I just take it to the gym. And this bag, it has a lot of compartments. So this one compartment is for dirty clothes, shoes को लागि राखेको छ, and it's really cool because fresh लुगाहरुसँग आफ्नो सामानहरुसँग mix पनि हुँदैन. So it has its own place. And this shoes say I don't carry baira lago shoes gym bhitra laउँदा four पनि हुन्छ. So what I do is I carry my own shoes because hard sole पनि छ यसको. So spin classes ma पनि like soft sole wala लगायो भने चाहिँ खुट्टा दुख्ने हुन्छ. So I always prefer hard sole training shoes. And okay, so this is my best friend, my moisturizer, because winter mata it's so important. Yesto chiso bhairako huncha hatharu, and it's always dry, especially when you're working out also. Hatharu kasto dry bhaira huncha when you're using chalk and all. So you say after you work out, wash your hands and use this. Use any moisturizer, I'm saying. Yes. Then yes, this I have my fit band here. Fit band say it has a lot of features. So especially when I am taking personal training classes, I timer हेर्नलाई and cardio गर्नको लागि pin classes लिँदाखेरि पनि I just make sure I'm recording. So कति calories burn भयो यस्तो पनि देखाइरहेको हुन्छ यो fit band ले. So I think this is it. This is all I have in my bag. यो चाहिँ मेरो basic essentials that I have in my bag. So तपाईहरुको पनि आफ्नो need अनुसार must be different. So with this, आजको episode will end it right here. And in next episodes we'll watch things about fitness. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next episode. Bye.